Moderna obviously out with these results yesterday, early results of this clinical trial that they're doing on a potential vaccine. They sold stock at the end of the day, or at least announced the sale of $1 billion of stock. We were also talking about executive plans during this period of healthcare CEOs, including the CEO of Moderna, who has a 10b1 plan, which effectively is a pre-programmed plan to sell stock. But one of the things we were talking to Scott Gottlieb about is whether healthcare CEOs and executives should be buying or selling during this period, and how maybe even you or the SEC would look at that.
Well, I always like hearing my good friend Scott Gottlieb. I miss him here in Washington. I'm just going to give. He was a terrific commissioner over at the FDA, and I love the way he oversaw his agency. And Scott, as he always does, gave good, sober advice here. Look, if you're an executive of a public company in a time like this, there may be idiosyncratic circumstances where you would be in the market. But as we've said for a long time in this volatile time, please practice good corporate hygiene. I'm sure most public companies have good insider trading policies that are designed to prevent not just insider trading, but any allegation or suggestion that there's insider trading. That's a bit of a lawyer answer, Andrew, to be saying, practice good hygiene. Be careful as an investor. Why would you want to even raise the question that you were doing something that was inappropriate? With respect to companies, look, companies need capital. Completely different story from an insider, turning their investment into cash. We encourage companies, if they need capital or see a market opportunity to raise capital, to do so consistent with our rules, which require disclosure of where they stand today. And I'm not going to comment on a specific company, but I do hope that people are making it clear to investors where they stand, what their financial position is, what their prospects are, and the risks inherent in this. But we want companies to be able to access both our equity and debt markets. And we've seen a tremendous amount of activity in the fixed income markets where companies are looking to bolster their balance sheets to get through this uncertain time. And it's a wonderful thing about the American capital markets that you can go and do that in times like this.